Good morning, Mr. Vella. I know you've been teaching for some time now, and I just wanted to see if there are any areas of teaching I could possibly help you with.
So far, this year things have been okay. I've been struggling with my 5th period integrated Math 2 class. I feel they're not listening to the lessons, and I wanted to try integrating more technology into my lessons to see if I can get their attention.
I think I can help you with that. The first step is building rapport with the students. If there's rapport between you and the students, they are more likely to listen to what you have to say. Once this is established, then we can work on implementing some more technology into the lessons. I'd like to observe your class later on today. Is that okay with you?
That sounds like a plan. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you. The instructional coach visits the teacher's classroom that day during 5th period. He takes notes that will be discussed between the two later that day. The coach not only focused on the negatives, but also noted positive interactions that will help the teacher when it comes to changing the lesson plan and implementing technology into the lesson. So, how do you feel that class went today?
I feel like they were all over the place. Most of them seemed like they were focused on something other than what I was actually talking about.
I saw a lot of the same thing. It seemed like most of them were not interested at all. When the first student walked into the class, have you tried to greet them at the door?
Not with this class, since it's the end of the day, I'm exhausted.
Tomorrow, even though you're tired, try to say hello as they enter the room. This lets them know you're interested in them. Okay? You might also want to warm up, put a warm up on the board. This will get their attention right as they're coming in the door, as they're seating. And that'll be ready as soon as, they'll be ready as soon as you come in instead of waiting on you to start.
Okay, I'll try that. I'll stand by the door and greet each one as they enter. I will also make sure that there's a warm-up ready to go and projected onto the board. Now when it comes time to integrating more technology, how do you think I can approach this?
Well, let's look at the current lesson. I saw that you were graphing parabolas and their transformations. Have you ever tried using the graphing program GeoGebra?
No, I've not. Can you show me how it works?
I will show you how it works. We can then create a few examples for you to use on the next lesson. I will also show you how to explain to the students how to install the program free on their phones. The instructional coach and the teacher work for about 30 minutes going through the features of GeoGebra and how to use it in the lesson. During this time, they create a few different parabolas and effectively show how to go from the parent graph to the transformed graph. Do you see how this program can help to encourage students to work together, and it also makes the learning process a little more fun? Tomorrow, when they arrive, give them a few questions where they must apply the transformations and graph both the parent graph and the transformation.
I will. That did make the lesson a lot more fun even for me. I also learned how easy it is to integrate technology into the lesson. Thank you so much for your help. I feel these recent changes will make a big difference. Can you come back in a few weeks and observe the class again? I would like some time to continue to work on this.
Sure, I will see you in a few weeks. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please let me know.
Absolutely.
Thank you.